LM013 comes with black and white. Black is often seen as classic and professional. White is regarded as modern and tidy. Let's show the white one. The focus ring is very smooth, convenient for one-handed use. 2.8-inch IPS display. Compared to the 2-inch screen, the 2.8-inch screen is larger. The latest upgrade, built-in distance adjustment ring. Wider your observation field. Rechargeable for use. Supporting USB and SD card output. Power on. Observe the skin. Magnify to observe skin and hair. Observe coins. Increase the working distance. We can get a wider field. It's also a portable soldering microscope to check the soldering defects. It can also be an electronic magnifier to help you read. LM013 comes with a slides holder, which is to facilitate our observation of transparent slides. One button to take photos and videos. Playback. Connect the LM013 and computer with a USB cable. Select PC camera. You can output the image to the computer.